Fire!
Hey guys, George here, and today I put my ducks in order, as you can see. Bring you a version of the unboxing of Doom Battalions. So there you have the package. It was really nicely packed, and I opened it up, and what do I see? What do I see? Let's see. I can bring you the actual thingamajiggy. Here it is. The front cover, Doom Battalions. Excellently redone, reflecting an OP Polish tank. Early war, it served its purpose, and for the people that knew how to use it, used it well. The back cover highlights some of the most interesting scenarios that dated back since the inception of COD, and there's a couple that I want to play. I'm looking forward to play. For example, Castelli Crete, that took place the 20th of May 1941. There's another scenario that's Greek-based that took place during the Italo-Greco War in northern Greece, northern Epirus. So I'm looking forward to playing that as well. I find the Axis Miners, the few scenarios that I did play, highly balanced and very enjoyable to play. And although I'm calling them Axis Miners, in my opinion, they were the Allied majors because they were in the war since the very beginning. They never gave up. Their governments went into exile and they fought alongside the Allies, especially the Allies that were in for the long haul, namely the British, the Free French. Some, unfortunately, also went on the Soviet side. Whereas the Axis miners was comprised of derelict men that could have stayed home for all that anybody cared and didn't have to join the Axis forces. Well, that's my opinion. You might differ. I respect yours. Please respect mine. In terms of rules, we got the vehicle notes for all the Allied majors, the Poles, the Greeks, and quite a few other nationalities. And that's the Poles and the Paisans. Where's the Paisans? There it is. Danish, Dutch, Greek, Norwegian. In terms of scenarios, this package also has another encyclopedia full of scenarios. That's just a small indication of what's there. And by the way, I enjoy playing cavalry. Um, it gives a lot of flavor to these scenarios, and it's not all that bad. I think the rules as they are portrayed in Advanced Squad Leader were an excellent remake of what first appeared in at the COI level, and I guess even back then, cavalry struck fear in the defenders. Cavalry attack still struck fear in the, so that's just a small sample of the scenarios that came about. There was a nice thick amount of scenarios. The scenario cards seem to be of better quality as well, for some reason or another. It could be my imagination. Then you got a remake of the nationalities chart, which is no, this is actually the terrain chart. Uh, Not too sure what the differences are, but with all the charts that came with this module, I'm planning to protect them in plastic and use them instead of the rat charts. Boards. Here you got a picture of board number 9 and a whole slew of overlays. So I'm looking forward to playing that as well. Again, this comes from the COD level. There was at least one scenario that I played. I think it was called the Metaxas line with using scenario 9. And hopefully I'll play it again. In terms of counters, we got a whole slew of them. Well typed out, well printed. There'll be a lot of punching to do. And now I can say that my actual physical board collection is more complete than before. Although, in all honesty, I'm not planning to buy all the modules. Just the modules that I have now are more than enough. Yep. A remake of the OBA chart, which is, to me, looks really wonderful. There goes my computer lagging again. There you go. That's another chart that I plan to protect and enjoy. The nationalities chart. Which is more well formatted than before. Another chart that I should um, be keeping in some sort of protection and consulting from time to time. For example, when we were playing a scenario with OBA, you get instantaneously what is the number of black and red chits, whether they're stealthy, whether they leak, whether they're subject to a massacre or not. Um, all this stuff is neatly packed in the capabilities chart, and hey, no other game has one. And lastly, there's corrections or amendments to Chapter A, which I plan to keep in the box because I consulted the ebook now, and with the ebook, you should have everything you need. I got that module. You may ask, where is the Greek national anthem? Why am I not playing the Greek national anthem? I don't know, but the audio quality would be greatly reduced if I tried to do that. So I stuck to the bagpipes, and for the record, where I come from in Greece, we do have bagpipes as well, or a bagpipe instrument called sambuna. It makes the most annoying noise or music, but who doesn't like it? Yeah, it's the extent of it. As for the ouzo, I already drank it all. So with that said, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned, and I might have some after action reports for the scenarios that have been newly acquired. And have a great week ahead. Take care.